check by induction. 4 statements. If you want to try and prove them by induction, every single one, that would be very, Well, clearly there's only one statement that's correct and 3 statements that are incorrect. And induction is about 3 steps. First one is the base. So it's an induction base. Is there a basis for this claim? So these are 4 statements we need to check. And this basis starts from the smallest natural number, which is 1 in this case. Then we just take a look at n is equal to 1. These statements for n is equal to 1. So sum from k is equal to 1 to 1 of 2k minus 1 is just one term, which is 2 to the 1 minus 1, which is 2 to the 0, which is 1. But on the right-hand side, we have 2 to the n plus 1, and n in this case is 1. So it's 2 to the 1 plus 1, which is 5. And 1 is not equal to 5. So this fails on the very basic level. If we do this for the second one, just get the first term, so 2 times 1 minus 1, which is 1. Is it equal to 1 squared? So the number that we've chosen. Yes, it is. So 1 squared is equal to 1. No problems. Now this here is only true for n greater than or equal to 4. And so what we can do is we look at n is equal to 5. So 5 factorial, is it less than 2 to the 5? Well, 5 factorial is equal to 120. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 to the 5 is equal to 32. So this is a false statement. So this is not the case. So this is definitely not the answer. This fails on a very basic level. This also. So that is why they're not answers. For the final one, you can check it and you'll see that you get something of the form 1 to the third is equal to 1 squared times 1 plus 1 squared. 1 plus 1 squared is 2 squared. And you get 4, and 1 to the third is 1, and 1 is not equal to 4, so this will not be the answer. You can, of course, go by and prove this by induction. It could be a very good exercise. So you assume it is true for some k, this statement, and you try to show that it is true for k plus 1. And it is very important that you always use your hypothesis. So if you don't use your hypothesis in the process, then you know that something is going wrong. But I'll leave that for you as an exercise.